Welcome to AI for Business, your source for all the latest AI news and AI tools. Today we're covering major controversy in the AI space, including Waymo's privacy concerns, Meta's Llama 4 defense, IBM's latest AI deal, and publishers pushing back on AI content use. Then we'll share an AI tool for creating presenter-style videos without presenters, and share a prompt tip to get expert-level answers from AI. Starting with our first story, self-driving robotaxi company Waymo has found itself in the middle of a privacy controversy. The company, owned by Google's parent Alphabet, denied accusations that it planned to use footage from inside its vehicles to train AI models and create personalized ads. It all began when a researcher discovered an unreleased draft of Waymo's privacy policy, which said the company would collect in-car video, link it to rider identities, and use it for AI training and targeted ads. The draft policy did include an option for customers to opt out of sharing their personal information with third parties, which aligns with California privacy laws, but many are still worried about how much data Waymo planned to collect. Waymo said the unreleased policy included placeholder text, and that its machine learning systems cannot use data to identify individuals. The company also confirmed it has no plans to use data for targeted ads. Some remain suspicious of these claims given Waymo's connection to Google. Critics wonder if Waymo might have been planning to share rider data with Google or DeepMind for AI training and ad targeting before the draft policy was exposed. Let's turn our attention to Meta, where a different kind of AI controversy is brewing. A Meta executive recently denied claims that the company manipulated benchmark scores for its new Llama 4 models. Meta's vice president of generative AI, Ahmad Al-Dal, said it's simply not true that the company trained its Llama 4 Maverick and Scout models on test sets to make them look more capable than they are. It's like a student studying the answers before taking an exam, giving misleading results about actual performance. The rumors began spreading across platforms like X and Reddit after a post on Chinese social media claimed a Meta employee had resigned in protest over the company's benchmarking practices. What added fuel to these claims were reports that Maverick and Scout perform inconsistently on certain tasks. Adding to the confusion, Meta used an experimental version of Maverick for the LM Arena benchmark rather than the publicly available version. Researchers noticed clear differences between how the public model performs compared to the one on LM Arena. Al-Dal acknowledged that users are experiencing mixed quality from these models. He explained that because Meta released the models as soon as they were ready, it will take time to fully optimize them across public platforms, saying, "We'll keep working through our bug fixes and onboarding partners." Now, news from the AI business world. IBM announced on Monday that it has bought Hakkoda, a New York-based data and AI consulting firm. This aims to strengthen IBM's ability to deliver AI consulting for clients in finance, government, and healthcare. Muhammad Ali, IBM's senior vice president and head of consulting, said Hakkoda's data skills and tech partnerships will help IBM deliver faster value to clients working on AI transformation. While the financial details of the deal weren't shared publicly, this acquisition aligns with IBM's ongoing investment strategy in AI and automation. Earlier this year, IBM purchased DataStax, a platform for building AI applications, and recently completed its acquisition of HashiCorp, which specializes in infrastructure and security automation. In the fourth quarter of 2024, the company saw its biggest revenue jump in 5 years, with AI bookings and sales reaching over $5 billion. As part of the deal, Hakkoda's hundreds of consultants across the globe will join IBM's consulting division, bringing their data expertise to IBM's expanding AI services portfolio. Hundreds of publishers are taking a stand against what they view as unauthorized use of their content by AI companies. This week, major publishers like the New York Times, the Washington Post, The Guardian, and Vox Media launched an ad campaign called Support Responsible AI to urge government action against what they call AI theft. The campaign features striking ads with messages like "Stop AI theft" and "AI steals from you too," along with text stating, "Stealing is un-American. Tell Washington to make big tech pay for the content it takes." These ads are appearing both in print and online publications. This initiative comes shortly after OpenAI and Google sent letters to the government arguing for permission to train their AI models on copyrighted content. The publishers' campaign directs people to contact their representatives about requiring tech companies to fairly compensate writers, artists, and journalists for their work, and to require credit in AI-generated content. Danielle Coffey, who leads the News Media Alliance trade association behind the campaign, clarified that the news media industry isn't against AI itself, as many publishers use AI tools in their work. What they want is a balanced system where AI is built responsibly and original content creators are properly compensated. Today's AI tool to try is Synthesia, the easiest way to create professional videos without the hassle of filming real people. Synthesia lets you make presenter-style videos with AI avatars and realistic voiceovers, all from just written text. You write a script, choose from over 230 digital actors of different ages and appearances, and Synthesia does the rest. No need for cameras, lighting, or speakers. You can also create a digital version of yourself that looks and talks like you. This means you can produce videos featuring yourself without ever stepping in front of a camera. Link to try in the description. The prompt tip for today is about getting more specific when asking AI to act as an expert. Instead of using broad requests like, act as a marketer, tell the AI to be a very specific type of marketer. Or instead of asking AI to act as a copywriter, try saying, act as a storytelling coach for indie video game developers. When you get super specific about the kind of expert you want the AI to mimic, you get much more focused and helpful responses. The AI has more context to work with and can give you insights that feel like they're coming from someone with real expertise in a narrow field. Think about the exact specialty that would be most helpful for your specific problem, and name that person or role in your prompt. That brings us to the end of today's AI for Business podcast. If you enjoyed what you heard today, please subscribe so you are notified of new episodes. We also read every review, so if you found something helpful in today's episode, please consider leaving a review and sharing the episode with someone who might benefit from this information. We'll be back tomorrow with more AI news, AI tools, and prompt tips to help you navigate this quickly changing technology.